would like to show you the actuator. The actuator box is here, and we can try to open it. Inside the actuator box you see three actuators, one for each hook. Here's an actuator motor, and the actuator is down here with switches for every one of them. Junction boxes over there. All this equipment inside here is explosion proof, so that it means it can be opened in the field, which is very convenient. The cable from each actuator is going here to each hook separately. Now if we want to make a release, we go back here at the control panel. We can open the control panel so we can give you a better idea. The idea is that we keep master pushed. If we want to release hook number 1, we just press number 1. Then you hear the actuator motor is moving, the cable is going, and the hook is now open. And typically the hook will fall down.
Okay.
When we